Hello everyone, I am Punya Agarwal, ACC affiliate and one of the admins of Being ACCA, and in this video I'll be solving the questions from the topic Information Technology and Information Systems in Business. Again, this is a very easy and commonsensical topic. Even if you do not know a lot of things and you're not prepared well with this topic, you'll be able to answer these questions well. There are few topics like information system, MIS, and all of these. Only those are little technical. Otherwise, the topic is very simple. So let's start. First question is: Big data contains both financial and non-financial data. This is very true. Big data is actually is a non-sorted data, non-sorted data which contains all of your data. It contains data from many sources, different types of data, which is obviously not sorted out, right? Then you have cloud computing allows storage and accessing of data programs over the internet instead of an computer hard drive. So this is cloud compute, this is actually true. And cloud computing is just like your Google Docs or your Google Sheets. Many people can access it at once, and you do not need a computer hard drive. It is stored over the internet internet, or basically online, right? So this is, sorry for my handwriting, but it is what it is. So next question is: spreadsheet packages are primarily used to analyze and sort data, for sure. Yes, of course, you use the spreadsheet to analyze the data and to sort the data in a understandable manner. Then you company has recently commissioned a report into potential sales of a prototype product that has developed. The report is extremely detailed and filled with jargon. So you will not be able to understand because there are many jargons. So jargons are basically your technical wordings. Like obviously there are, if they have created some prototype, they have to make a prototype or a report in which any layman also, like you and me also, can will be able to understand it better, right? But if there are a lot of jargons, they're very technical, there are many technical wordings in there, obviously you and me won't know every technical details and every technical words, so it will be difficult for you and me to understand, right? The management of you are finding it difficult to follow the reports finding for obvious reasons, right? Which of the following criteria of good quality information is not being met by the report? Relevant, it is relevant. We are not questioning the relevance because abhi tak to we haven't even read it, so relevance is not an option. Complete, it might be complete, we do not know at the moment. Accuracy, it is not understandable. As I said, yahan pe hi I only said ki we won't be able to understand it, right? Because it is filled of jargons. So that is the reason D is correct. Okay. 48th, which of the following is a reasonable drawback of our database? So there might be a case in which all of these are drawbacks of a database, but we have to see reasonable, like most appropriate or most important drawback, or the main drawback of the database is any system failures may cause widespread disruption and loss of it. This is very true. This is a major default of database. Your hard drive or all of these drives can actually fail. Your system can fail and you will lose all of your data, right? Now, I'll also read the next statements for you to understand it better. It is difficult for two people to use it at the same. This is actually an advantage because that is the reason that you're using a database. That is the reason that you're using online services, right? So that two people can use it at same time. If I share a Google link with you, Google Drive link or Google Docs link, you and me will be able to work simultaneously on that online, right? So that won't be an issue. The quality of information is limited to just few thousand records. This is not true. Obviously, if you open your Excel, you can insert howsoever amount of data you want to insert, so there's no limit to that. Cost of setting it up often outweigh the benefits of using it. This is actually subjective. This statement depends. So this can be actually a drawback as well, but in this case we have to see the reasonability of it, so this is the most reasonable one. So next question is: which of the following statements systems pool? This is the thing that I was talking about. That this is the only area in which you have to be a little careful about because this is little technical. Which of the following system pools data from internal and external sources? So yahi se if you would know these systems, you would know that pools data from internal and external sources is MIS. Management. No, no, not management. Sorry, sorry. See, even I got confused. Sorry. It is executive. Executive information system, because we are here talking about your internal and external sources, and makes information available to senior managers for strategic and unstructured decision making. So it is executive information system, EIS. Next question, 50th, true and false. Blockchain technology presents the possibility of an accounting system that can be continuously updated, for sure, and verified without the threat of being altered or corrupted. This is actually a very good benefit of blockchain. This is actually a very good advantage of blockchain. So, phishing is a type of no, 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 no. Phishing. This is a wrong statement. What do you mean by phishing? If you know what is phishing, phishing is basically when somebody is trying to enter your device claiming to be a legitimate source just to, for a criminal purpose, for a criminal offense, just to tap on your data, just to tap on your sensitive data. So phishing is just for that. It is an act by criminals. They pose to be legitimate source, but they are not. So it is not a computer virus. It is just like criminals trying to engage in your device, claiming to be like their legitimate source, but they're just there for the fraud part. So this is phishing. Next question. Okay, again, this is again a technical one in which we have export system, MIS, and DSS. This system type converts data from a transaction processing system into information from one. This is your MIS, which I was discussing. So here your keyword should be converts data from transaction processing system into information. So this is the processing is there in your management information system, right? Then is your when the government authority at the end of the tax year sends thousands of notifications to people with an estimate of the tax they need to pay, these letters are likely to be produced by this system. It is produced by export system. So just have a brief understanding of these systems, and then you'll be good to go with these types of questions. Next question. FFK company is a small manufacturing company supplying wholesale customers whose order goods by phone. Okay, who order goods by phone. It operates from one site and has its own internal accounts department. Labels for goods to the dispatched are printed on site, and the goods are then collected by a local courier service for delivery. Inventory levels for key components are monitored electronically, and suppliers receive automatic notification when deliveries are required. Okay. Based on the information provided, which one of the following features of FFA company's business model are the most likely to expose them to cyber security threats? So here, if you see orders, if let's go statement by statement here. If you see who orders by phone, so here we do not get any cyber security threats because they're ordering by phone. There's no threat by this. Then you have your internal accounts department. Because it is internal, it's not outsourced, and again no cybersecurity threat is there. Then you use your okay, printed dispatch are printed on site, and goods are dispatched collected by local. So it is delivery has taken takes place by local courier service. Again, there's no cyber security threat. So last one would be your inventory management with component suppliers, which because they're automatic, it is automatic, it is not overlooked by somebody. Even if it is automatic, it should be overlooked by somebody, so that there's constant check upon the activities which is being performed automatically, electronically, right? So that is the reason it is exposed to your cyber security risk. Here, if we just talk about in general terms, if you say, then the phone risk, if we see, it is a business risk, because obviously there can be a situation when we are missing the orders, because we'll not be able to tap all the orders that are there, we are receiving from the phone, right? So it is not a cyber security risk. So that is the reason this is your cyber security risk. Next question. Okay. 53. Which of the following is not a benefit of big data analytics? Not improve decision making. Obviously, when we sort our big data, obviously we actually use the big data analytics so that we can make an improved decision making improves because of the sorting of the data, right? Greater focus on customer needs and wants. This is actually again a benefit. That is the reason that we are doing this. Increase security of data. No, 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 this is not product innovation. This can also be an option, but I think it should be increased security of data. Why? Because data analytics, you have such a vast variety of data scattered all along, and you have to sort those. And there can be a situation in which you're not able, there's no, actually, there's no security of the data in data analytics because you have large quantum of data. You're not there for the security, you're there for the purpose of sorting the data and analyzing and interpreting the data, right? That is the reason this is not a benefit. You do not actually use big data analytics for the security of data. Big data analytics is only used for the analyzing, for the interpretation part, and not for the security part, right? Next question, 54. Which two of the following are artificial intelligence techniques? So AI, again, this is a very booming topic nowadays. Okay. Wireless speakers, obviously not. It's not AI. Driverless cars, obviously, your Tesla. It is an AI technology. Web design, voice recognition. Again, your Siri. Siri is there, Google Voice is there, Maps are there. All of these have voice recognition. So this is AI and this is AI. So very common. Again, BT has a very commonsensical syllabus topics, and you'll be as easily be able to answer them. Some of them are little technical, just like in this video we discussed about MIS and all of these. That was the only technical topic, I think, and rest of all was very commonsensical. So after this, if you have any doubt in this topic, you can comment down below, or you can also reach us out on our Instagram page, which is being ACCA, and I'll see you in the next video.